Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today we're doing another wings challenge thing. This time we're doing the lemon pepper third sauce, guys. Let's go. Hope this is like a different taste. Teriyaki was just disappointing. Sweet barbecue is very good. Little zest. It's not bad. I wouldn't say it's great. Very, very zesty. I think it's just the lemon that brings out the flavor. Alright, the next one is mild, so we're leaving yellow and dipping our toes into orange. You can also do the challenge yourself, slowly getting to the Carolina Reaper. That's about it. See y'all next time. Bye.